Good morning, guys. It is a great day to be in room 625. It is. For today's activity, you guys will need to complete a Versatiles worksheet for your assignment. Unfortunately, we can't use the Versatiles, but we can do everything else. For this assignment, I thought I would show you how to do it by doing numbers 10 and 12 for you on your worksheet. Number 10 says 7 3/7 minus 2 1/3. And if you remember, when we add and subtract mixed numbers, we can keep the numbers mixed. We don't have to make them improper. And I said the way I like to do it is step one is to just subtract the whole numbers. So 7 minus 2 is 5. That leaves us 5. I can cross out my whole numbers. Now I look at my fraction. I have 3/7 minus 1/3. I have to find a common denominator of 7 and 3. I always say I count by the largest denominator until I find a number that the smaller denominator can also go into. So can 3 go into 7? No. So then I count by 7s. Can 3 go into 14? Can 3 go into 21? Yeah. So that's my common denominator. So I'm going to rewrite this as 21 minus 21. Now I have to work backwards. How does 7 become 21? It becomes 21 by multiplying by 3. If I multiply the denominator by 3, I have to multiply the numerator by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I go over to my other one. How does 3 become 21? By multiplying by 7. So I do the same to my numerator. 1 times 7 is 7. So I'm left with 9 21st minus 7 21st. And 9 minus 7 is 2. And my denominator stays the same. I take my fraction, I put it back up with my whole number. So my answer is 5 and 2 21st. The way I want you to do your worksheet is once you have your answer, you look down here, find your answer right here, K. And I want you to write the number that goes with the problem here. So the answer to K was number 10. So I want you to write the number 10 in the K spot. Okay, that's what I want you to do. For the next one, we have 4 and 2/5 divided by 3/10. So even though we can keep them mixed when we add and subtract, when we divide and multiply, our first step, if they're mixed, is always to make them improper. So step one, I need to make these fractions improper, this fraction improper, because that fraction is a proper fraction. So I need to multiply and then add. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 over 5 divided by 3/10. Now we know the song, if you want to divide, look on the right side, flip that fraction over, and then multiply. So I'm going to flip that second fraction over. So I'm going to go left with 22/5 times 10/3. At this point, I'm able to cross cancel. So I look diagonally. Unfortunately, 22 and 3 don't share any common factors, but 5 and 10 do. They both share a factor of 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 10 twice. So now I just multiply across. 22 times 2 is 44. 1 times 3 is 3. You'll notice that 44/3 is not down here anywhere because it is still an improper fraction, so I need to make it proper. I do that by tipping it over and dividing. I'm going to do that up here. 3 into 44. 3 goes into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. I subtract, I get 1. Bring down my 4. 3 goes into 14 4 times. That's 12. I subtract, I get 2. Draw my half circle, which leaves me an answer of 14 and 2/3. 14 and 2/3, is that on our, yep, right here, J. So I would write number 12 in the J box. That way I know that you'd have the answer there. So I've done these first two problems for you. You do not need to copy this down. The only thing I want you to copy down, please write 12 here and please write 10 there. You do not need to do number 10 and 12. I've done them for you. I do need you to do the other 10 problems though. Please show all of your work. If this is not enough space to show your work, feel free to open a scroll down Notability, do it on the second page. If you want to do it on a piece of paper at home, feel free to. Just make sure you take a picture and upload your work with your assignment and still write the answers in the boxes. I still need the numbers down here, even if you do all of your work on a separate sheet of paper. Besides that, if you have any questions, let me know. Email me. But make sure you have this done by the end of your class period. If not, have it done by 8 p.m. to make sure you get some partial credit. Have a great day. Do your work. And I look forward to seeing you guys again. Bye.